Hello everyone, my name is Rose and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog is unboxing vlog. So I got a package today. In order ko siya from LINDASKIN TH. Okay, so this is what I got from LINDASKIN TH. Okay, so they gave me this warranty card. Okay, the warranty card and this thank you for your purchase card. Okay, and they got me a free mask, the white mask. So let's open this one. Okay, so this one, the mask, and the box itself. I saw their shop at Shopee, so nag-order ako ng IPL hair removal. So look at this. Okay, so LINDASKIN TH. I like the box. It's so cute. It's color purple. So look at this. LINDASKIN Mini Intense Pulse Light Laser Home Use High Technology. The function, the pulse light, high-grade quartz lamp. So 1 to 8 levels. Oversized treat area and full hair removal use. Okay, we can use this one in hairline, cheek, lip, black, back, chest, arm, abdomen, bikini line, thigh, and shine. So let's open the box of LINDASKIN. Okay, here. Oh no. Okay. So here we have the cord, the wire cord. We have the free shave. We have the free glasses to protect our eyes. So, gagamitin natin to para hindi masira yung mata natin sa laser. And the IPL itself. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Linda. Okay, so I got this from sale. So I got this only for 762 baht from 1,190 baht. So nag-flash sale kasi sila. So I purchased it right away. So the turn on button and this one, there's also button here. So there's a manual. So I don't know if it's in Thai or in English. Oh, so it's in Thai. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's color white. I choose this one because it's on sale. I like the color rose gold more, but ito na lang kasi nga sale siya best. So, huwag nang mag-inarte. So, i-connect natin siya dito and ito turn on para malaman natin kung okay ba yung product nila. Okay, so let's try to turn on this one. Okay, so i-connect natin to siya sa outlet. Kasi kaano ba kahaba yung wire niya. So this is the how long the wire is. Okay, so and let's connect it here. Okay, umiilaw siya guys. So as you can see, okay, the light is blinking. Okay, let's turn it on. Oh, so look at that. So this my IPL is only has 600,495 pulses. So, I only have 600,495 pulses. Kasi mas mahal yung ano eh, mas mahal yung 999 na ano, 999,000. So, you can change the intensity level here. Okay, you can push this button and it will appear A. So, it means automatic. So, hindi ka na magmamanual na mag-ano sa laser. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's use the glasses. Okay, let's try to use the glasses. Oh. Okay, so let's try. Did you see that? Okay, this is intensity level 2. So, wala naman akong napi-feel. It doesn't feel anything. It's just a pulse. Parang mainit lang siya. So, let's try it with the armpits. Okay, let's try with the armpits. Okay, pasintabi na po sa aking kilikili. Okay, let's try to use it in the armpit. Okay, intensity level. Let's go to 3. Wala naman. Parang wala lang. Hindi siya masakit, guys. Okay, let's try intensity 5. Intensity 5. Bearable lang yung ano niya. Yung sakit. Parang wala lang. Okay, let's try the highest intensity. Okay. Medyo masakit na siya. Okay. Medyo masakit na siya. So, medyo masakit sa akin yung ano, yung 8. Okay, let's try sa legs, guys. Okay guys, so tapos na tayong mag-laser. Okay naman siya, working. Okay. Pumili ako nito kasi ano, napapagod na akong mag-shave, guys. So if you are a hairy person like me, ayoko nang mag-wax, ayoko nang mag-shave. Gusto ko nang matanggal siya forever. So, matagal ko nang gusto ito. Nagpupunta-punta ako sa clinic. Nagpapaano ako, nagpapa-laser. But, COVID ngayon. So, hindi ako makapunta. So, I purchased this one because gusto ko hindi na ako mag-shave at hindi na ako mag-wax. I still have, ilan ba? 600,324 pulse. Laser pulse ang naiwan. So, gagamitin ko to every week, once a week. So, tingnan natin kung anong progress. So, mag-update ako siguro mga 1 month later. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and comment also your experience about LINDASKIN IPL product. And please subscribe to my channel for you to get updated on my next vlogs and videos. That's it for today. Thank you so much and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!